Let's go ahead and finish off our layout by adding the text view to hold our message and our button. Text views can be found under Widgets, Plain Text View. I'm going to drag this onto the screen here, and I'm going to just resize this so it basically takes up the majority of the message. Let's double click this and write your fortune here. Now, a side note, sometimes for whatever reason, this ID doesn't have anything in it, but it has to have something or Android will get mad and throw an error. So if this is blank for some reason, add anything. We're going to add a specific ID later, but for now, you can just call this text view because that's what it is. Go ahead and hit enter. Next, let's add a button. Go to button under widgets and drag that onto the screen. And let's resize that. All right, our button is aligned, but it's gray, square, and doesn't fit into our picture. What we want to do is we want to make the background transparent. Now, in the past, what we've done is we've gone to the alpha and set it here. The problem with doing it like this is that it's also going to set the transparency of the text to 0. And we want to be able to see the text. So we're going to do it slightly differently. Go to background, click this little square, and select the color tab. Now here, this A represents our alpha value, which is the transparency. 255 means it's not transparent at all. You can't see through it one bit. But if we set that to 0, that means that it's completely transparent. However, this won't affect the text, so we should be able to see it. Well, how come we can't see it? Well, our text is black right now by default, and so is our fortune cookie. So if we want to be able to see the text, we've got to change the text color. Let's go ahead and do that now. In Properties, scroll all the way down until you see text color. If you click in here, we would be able to click this square, go to color, and select any color we want. Now, I'm going to hit cancel for a moment because I want to make this white, and I know the hash color for white, and you will too after a while because it's easy and you're going to be using it a lot. Hash colors always start with this pound sign. Pound, and for white, it's just 6 Fs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great. Hit enter, and now you'll see the text for your button. But we don't want it to say new button, so double click on the button and set the text to new fortune. Make sure you have something in here for the ID, even if it's button, just for now. It can't be blank or you're going to get an error. Hit enter. Okay, great. The basic layout for our fortune cookie app is finished, and it's looking pretty good. Next, we're going to add a list along with some other functional elements in order to store our data.